Why does it feel like everyone else has access to more information than you on TradingView? Are you constantly seeing other traders with indicators, charting tools, or even just more historical data than what's available to you? It's a common frustration, especially when you're trying to refine your strategies and make informed decisions. TradingView is an incredible platform, a favorite among traders worldwide for its robust charting capabilities and expansive community. But sometimes, the standard access can feel a bit limiting, can't it? You might be asking yourself, is there some secret handshake I'm missing? Or perhaps, am I just not using the platform to its full potential? The good news is, you're not missing a secret handshake, and yes, there absolutely are ways to unlock more data and enhance your TradingView experience. It's all about knowing where to look and what options are available to you. Let's dive into the core of how you can get more data on TradingView, transforming your analysis from good to great. The primary way to access more comprehensive data is through TradingView's paid subscription plans. While the free version is fantastic for getting started, it comes with limitations on the number of indicators you can use per chart, the amount of historical data available, and even the refresh rate of real-time data for certain exchanges. Upgrading to a Pro Plus, or Premium plan progressively unlocks more features. For example, higher tiers offer more indicators per chart, deeper historical data for backtesting, and faster real-time data feeds, which can be crucial for active traders. Beyond the subscription tiers, TradingView also offers access to specific market data packages. These are often add-ons that you can purchase even with a paid subscription, designed for traders who need granular, real-time data from specific exchanges or asset classes. Think about it. If you're heavily involved in futures trading, you might need a dedicated futures data package to ensure you're always working with the most up-to-the-second information. Similarly, options traders might require specialized options data feeds. These packages often provide Level 2 data, enhanced volume profiles, and more in-depth order book information that isn't typically included in standard subscriptions. Another powerful, yet often overlooked, method for getting more data, or rather, more insightful information, is by leveraging the vast community scripts and indicators available on TradingView. The Pine script language allows users to create and share custom indicators and strategies. Many talented developers and traders share scripts that can process existing data in new ways, visualize different market metrics, or even combine multiple data points to create unique analytical tools. While these don't necessarily provide raw new data, they allow you to extract more meaningful insights from the data you already have, effectively expanding your analytical capabilities. Spend some time exploring the Community Scripts section. You might be surprised by the ingenuity you find there. Finally, consider integrating external data sources. While TradingView itself is a comprehensive platform, some traders opt to combine its charting prowess with data from other providers. This usually involves exporting data from an external source and importing it into TradingView, or using third-party tools that can bridge the gap. This approach is more advanced and often requires some technical know-how, but it offers the ultimate flexibility for those with very specific data requirements. Getting more data on TradingView isn't about finding a hidden trick, it's about understanding the platform's offerings, from its subscription tiers and specialized data packages to its powerful community features and the potential for external integrations. By strategically utilizing these options, you can significantly enhance your trading analysis and decision-making. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.